Bird dogs are one of my favorite core exercises when they are done right. So for people who, if you try to rush through them, or if you don't focus on having that like stable, flat topped core as you move through this, then you're not really going to get the benefit from them as you activate your abdominals and focus on balance. Sorry. So how you're gonna set up is you are gonna set up in a quad position. So you're gonna be on your knees and on your hands. You are going to, I'm actually gonna show you a couple variations. So the first one I'm gonna show you is going to be the normal bird dog, where you're going to lift opposite leg with opposite arm. You're gonna exhale as you lift. You're gonna inhale back down to the position. So I'm gonna show you a couple rotations of that. I'm also going to show you a harder variation and hopefully not totally botch it. It's going to be a knee hover position. I'm going to show you like a very, like a low level version of it, where there's just a little bit of a lift of the hands and a little bit of lift with the foot from the hover position. You can add to that and make it more challenging if you're ready by extending the arm and extending the leg, but I'm not going to demo that today. So set up. Knee hover, starting position, stacked. So that's the knee hover. You saw where I started to get a little bit off balance at the end. These are challenging. So you definitely want to progress through with normal bird dogs and then progress to the knee hover. And again, you can still make that even more difficult by actually extending. So I had a really small range of motion, just lifting up my hand and just lifting up my foot off of the ground, which was still challenging. So just consider that depending on where you are with pregnancy or as you're rebuilding postpartum.